Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to a fresh new vlog on my channel. So today is 29th May and it's a bright sunny day. Today I am planning to go to Little Island and Starbucks Reserve as they are one of the famous spot. Also I have around 10 days to explore New York City as my internship is ending on June 10th. So I have bought City Pass, which is around $130 with tax, and it covers top 5 attractions of New York City. So I am planning to start my itinerary from tomorrow. That's Memorial Day and it's a holiday as well. So I hope you guys will enjoy the journey with me. I have to catch C train and go till 42nd Street to the Little Island और Starbucks Reserve भी वहाँ पे ही है. So guys, that was Starbucks Reserve. I am going towards Little Island now. Let's see, sunset को अभी 1 hour 15 minutes है. So Little Island is 10 minutes from here. Sunset तो अच्छे से दिखने वाला है, but yeah, Little Island is packed. You can see at my back. So weekend के वजह से उधर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्दी थी. So they were allowing with RSVP and RSVP full था. So I thought कि अभी रुक के मतलब नहीं है, so किधर तो जाता हूँ, वॉशिंगटन स्क्वायर पार्क या टाइम स्क्वायर. So बैटरी पार्क जाके तो फ़ायदा नहीं, क्योंकि कल उधर ही जाना है वापस फॉर स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी. सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि मैनहट्टन सनसेट मैनहट्टन के बीच में से ही देखते बिल्डिंग्स के थ्रू. Was Washington Square Park. Now I am walking towards Times Square, seeing the sunset from different locations between the buildings in the NYC. जिसे मैनहट्टन सनसेट भी कहते हैं, which has been started from today. Square is 40 minutes from here, and the best way to explore NYC is walking. Yeah, I am pretty enjoying. I hope you are also enjoying my vlog till here. Please like and share and subscribe. miles, which is 7 kilometers. So I am planning to eat something in this restaurant. Reached home. I hope you like this vlog. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. तब तक के लिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय. टेक केयर एंड पीस आउट.